Hello students, our topic is on input output classes and interfaces. So this topic is belongs to technology. So today we started. So I already explained you about input output classes in third unit. Right? Third unit is starting topics. All the topics are input out belongs to the input output classes. So you can go through that also. And here I'm explaining detail about that. So here there are some of list of classes and interfaces. Input output is a package. So Java.io package provides support for input output operations. Whatever the operations that we are performing on input and output, these all operations are belongs to the Java input output package. Data is retrieved from data is retrieved from a input source. So we can retrieve the data from input source and the result of the program is sent to the program result is going to send to output destination. So this is about input and output. And there are some of the classes and interfaces under the input output package. So input output class is defined by Java.io or here listed here. So some of the classes are buffered input stream, file filter, piped output stream, buffered output stream, filter input stream, piped reader, buffered reader, filter output stream, piped writer, buffered writer, filter reader, print stream, writer input stream, filter writer, print writer, writer output stream, input stream, pushback input stream. All these are classes belongs to classes. The following interfaces are defined by Java input output package. So interfaces are some of the interfaces are closable interface, file filter interface, object input validation, data input, file name filter, object output, data output, flushable interface, object stream constancy interface, externalizable interface, object input, serializable. These all are interfaces belongs to Java.io. So next topic is files. So file is a class that deals directly files and the file system. So the file is a class that deals directly with the file system. File does not specify how information is derived from or stored in files. It describes it only describes the how it does not describe any information like how it is going to store, how the file information is going to retrieve from the specified file. All these are not part of this file class. It only describes the properties of the file itself. Whatever the properties are there in the file, so those properties are going to be described by the file class. Okay. So file is nothing but file is a collection of information. File is a collection of information. Okay, ma'am. So there may be number of files. So we can store number of files in a single directory. Directory is nothing but a folder. Okay, we can store number of files in a single directory. Each and file, every file should have a unique name. Okay, name of the file should be unique. So the properties of files are like say all these are there are many properties under the file. While we are writing some content into the file, there will be number of properties. Okay, that is about file. File object is used to obtain or manipulate the information associated with the file, such as the publication user, time, date, directory path, and not to navigate subdirectory hierarchy. So the file information is like the permissions of the file, like the read write permissions will be there for the file. So that means the read write permission is used to provide security to the file content. So that security is provided by the file owner only. File owner only can provide the security for the file. That means, so you can provide read and write permissions to the other users. Okay. So the directory path, it may have some file information. So it may have some list of properties. Okay. Files are a primary source and destination for data within many programs. So files have a source and destination for data storing within many programs. Although there are, you can write file programs in our Java program by using these files object, files class. Although there are several severe restrictions on their usage within Apple's for security reasons, files are still a central resource for storing persistent and shared information. It is a central resource for storing the persistent and shared information. Okay. A directory in Java is treated simply as a file with one additional property, a list of file names that can be examined by list method. So list of file names will be there under the directory that can be examined by using the list method. Some of the file constructors are file of string space directory path, file of string space directory path from a string space file name. Next one, third one, file space directory object from a string file name. Next, URL object, file of URL object. Directory path is the path name of the file. File name is the name of the file or subdirectory. Directory object is the file object that specifies the directory. URL object is the URL object that describes the file. So URL is going to describe about the file. The following example creates a three files and here is how we can create the three files. So file F1, F2, F3 are three objects. The first file object is constructed with a directory path as the only argument. The second includes two arguments, the path and the file name. Third includes the path assigned to F1 and the file name. F3 refers to the same file as F2. So F3 is same as F1 and F2, but though F2 file contains the argument and next same. F3 also contains F1 auto execute file. Okay, here it contains two files, but F2 and F3 file defines many methods that obtain the standard properties of a file. To obtain the standard properties of a file, it defines many methods. For example, get name returns the name of the file, get parent returns the name of the parent directory, and exist returns the true if the file exists or false if it does not exist. And the following example demonstrates several of the file methods. So this example explains the several file methods. So the package that we want to use is java.io file. Okay, class file demo, file name, class name is file demo. Within the file demo, we have to declare the of P method, within that CS object is declared inside that. That is the variable here. So system dot out dot println of else. Public static void means string args. Next, f file f1 is equal to, so here we have declared the file, new file of Java copyright. So here file is Java and copyright. So copyright is a present file name, Java is a previous file name. So parent file name. This is nothing but Java is a parent file name. This is a present child file name. That is nothing but present file name. Okay. So object, sorry, method, inside the method B file we have declared the file name is, so that means file name is f1 dot get name. So here we, by using this get name method we can get the present file name. What is that file name? Copyright. Copyright is the first output here, output for the first statement. And path colon place f1 dot get path. Here get path is a method. So by using this method we can get total path of the file. So this is the total path of the file. The total path is slash forward slash Java forward slash copyright. This is the total path of the file. Okay. Absolute path is also a total path of the file. So f1 dot get absolute path. So total path we are getting here. If we execute this statement, and parent colon says f1 dot get parent. So by using this get parent method, we will get this Java file name. So this is Java file is a parent file name. Okay. F1 dot exist. If the file is exist, then it is going to display that exist. If it is not, if the file one dot exist is not true, then does not exist is going to be displayed. So this is a condition statement. This is a condition statement. Okay. Statement question mark. Another statement colon, another statement. Okay. Here we have three statements. The first one is a nothing but expression, one type of expression. If that expression is true, then the second statement is going to be displayed. If the expression is false, then third statement is going to be displayed. That is a rule of the conditional statement. So here the output for f1 dot exist is exist. Then f1 dot can write is, so yes, it is writable. So we can write in something into the copyright file. So here these are file permissions. F1 dot can read means if it is true, then is readable statement is going to be displayed. Can write means is writable is going to be displayed. So if it is not, if you cannot write anything into the file, then is not writable is going to be displayed. If we cannot read anything from the file, then is not readable statement is going to be displayed. But here the statements are true, so that's why is writable, is readable statements are going to be displayed in our console. Okay. So here is placed f1 dot is directly. Okay. So if that is true, then if this is true, then these statements are going to be displayed. Is not a directory, it is a directory. So is directory space is a directory is going to be displayed. If is directory is true, then space is going to be displayed. If is directory is false, then not is going to be displayed. Okay. Is directory is true. So that's why is space a directory is going to be, sorry, it is not a directory, it is a file. Totally it is a file. So So here is directly is not true. So that's why not a directly is going to be displayed. Is space not a directly is going to be displayed. Okay. F1 dot is file is normal file. Okay, if it is true, then is normal file is displayed. If it is false, if the first statement is false, then might be a named file is going to be displayed. So is file is true here, so is normal file is going to be displayed. So F1 dot is absolute is true here, so that's why is absolute is going to be displayed. So the last modified file is 812465200040. Okay, so this is a last modified date, I think. And file size, the size, it is not a number, I think so. It is a number. Okay, last file is modified is f1 dot length bytes. So whatever, so the sorry, file size it is going to be displayed. That means length of the file is going to be displayed in the form of bytes. So 695 bytes is the size of the file. So that is all about the function or methods that we have used inside the, some of the functions that we have used inside the file. Each file returns true if called on a file and false if called on a directory. If absolute method returns true if the file has an absolute path and false if it is not a relative path. File also introduces useful utility methods. First is rename tool. So here the, so by using this rename tool we can rename the file to the new name. Okay. Here the file name specifies the new name which becomes the name of the invoking file object. So it will return true upon success and false if the file cannot be renamed. Second utility method, delete method deletes the file, disk file represented by the path of invoking file object. And so the its form is boolean space delete. Delete say directly, the directory is empty. Delete returns true. Okay. After that, it delete is going to be returns true if it deletes the file, and false if the file cannot be written. These are some of the methods and some of the more methods here. So void delete on exists. Remove the file associated with the invoking object when the Java execution is terminated. So get free space. So long space get free space returns the number of free bytes of storage available. Whatever the storage space available is going to be written those free bytes on the partition of associated with the invoking object. Total space. It returns the total storage capacity of the partition associated with the invoking object. So user get usable space. So returns the number of usable in 3 bytes of the storage available on the partition associated with the invoking object. Boolean is hidden returns true if the file is hidden or else it is going to return false. Last modified milliseconds. So last we have the modified one. Sorry, this is called last modified method. These methods is going to display the milliseconds. Okay. So last modified log milliseconds, the type step of the invoking file that's specified by the millisecond, which is the number of milliseconds from January 1st, 1970, formatted detail universal time. Okay. Set read only, so it sets the invoking file to read only file. Coming to the directory. Directory is a file that contains the list of the other files and directories. So directory is nothing but it is a group of files. When we create a file object that is a directory, this directory method will return true. In this case, we will call list on that object to extract the list of other files and directories inside. String list. List of files is returned in an area of a string object. Okay. list of files is going to be returned. So by using the method list. So this program will show how to use the list method to examine the contents of the directory. So here import java.io.file. So the class name is directory list. So inside this main function is displayed. Inside the main function string directory name is Java/Java. So file f1 is equal to new file of directory name. So f1 is directory. So here directory name is Java. So f1 dot is directory, then system dot out dot println directory of directory name. Okay. So string array, here we declare the string array by using the method list. So this string, that means whatever the list of files are there inside the directory, here the list is going to be displayed by using the for loop. Okay. So list of first index of first file is 0, index of second file is 1, and so on. Okay. So s dot length. So whatever the list of file names are there, list of files are there inside the directory, these files are going to be counted and total count is going to be displayed by using the is dot length. Okay. Next, after the for loop, we have declared another object. File f is equal to new file of directory name place list of the files, that is s of I. F dot is directory, then if it is a directory, then is a directory is going to be displayed. The file name space is a directory is going to be displayed, or else it is going to display as a file. So directory may contains list of files, or else it may contains list of directories also. Okay, Amma? It may contain subdirectories also. It may contain list of files also. Clear? A single directory may contain a number of subdirectories or number of files. So here the for loop is used to display those are files or directories, or it may be the files, or it may be directory. If it is directory, then each directory is going to be displayed. Name with a directory is going to be displayed. If it is a file, then so file is a file is going to be displayed. So else directory it is not a directory is going to be displayed. Directory of Java, bin is a directory, dit is a directory, demo is a directory. These all are list of directories inside the directory, subdirectory, inside the main directory Java. Okay, copyright is a file, readme is a file, index.html is a file, include is a. So these are list of files. Include is a directory. So here include is the directory. Source dot zip is a file. SRC is a directory. Okay. These all are about directories and files. So here there are two types of files. We can filter the file name by using file name filter. So by using this file name, we can filter the list of files inside the directory. Okay, by using the specified file. We will often want to limit the number of files returned by the list method. So by using the list method, we can display so it is going to display list of files inside the directory. So by using the list method to include only those files by using the file name filter, we can include only those files that match with a certain file name pattern. Okay. To do this, you must use the second form of list method here. List method of the file name filter FFOBJ. FFOBJ is an object of the class that implements the file name filter interface. It is an object which implements the file name filter interface. File name filter defines only a single method, that is defines only a single method that is accepted, which is called once for each file in a list. So if it is if the file is in a list, then accept method is going to be used. The general form of accept method is Boolean accept of a file directory comma string file name. Accept method returns true for files in the directory specified by the directory that should be included in the list. Okay, those that match with the file name or returns false if the files are not matched with the specified file pattern. Clear. Then list files method. So here is a variation to the list method and list file method. So which you might find useful here. The signatures of the list files are file array space list file array space list file of the file name filter ffobj file filter ffobj. The first method returns all files. Second method returns those files that satisfy the specified file name filter. The third version of the list files return those files with the path names that satisfy the specified file filter. Okay, now this is all about the files. File is a very easy concept. So once you go through all the slides, if you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay.